Hello dear traders, let us review the major economic events of the last week. Last Monday, the Euro-USD currency pair opened with a big bearish gap. Later, it rose to the previous week's closing price. As a result, the pair did not record considerable change, and sharp swings in the single currency rate could be explained by political instability in Greece. Trading this Monday also started with a negative gap, followed by sluggish growth. The referendum demonstrated that Greek citizens were not ready to cut spending to pay off national debt. It is understandable, as the per capita debt is nearly 30,000 euros, amounting to 100,000 for a family of three. Nevertheless, the market participants still hope for a new debt agreement and see the chances of Greek exit as 50%. Therefore, and thanks to US dollar strengthening as a haven currency, gold didn't perform much as a safe haven asset, and its price was practically flat on Monday. Other commodity prices, including copper, oil, and wheat, were noticeably lower. Let us now return to the last week events. US population is optimistic and confident as indicated by Consumer Confidence Index in June. It is reasonable on the backdrop of unemployment hitting the lowest level since April 2008, 5.3%. Manufacturing orders contracted 1% in May, which indicates likely slowing of the real sector of economy. As a result, the US indexes fell, the dollar strengthened. There were no particular macroeconomic surprises in Eurozone. The inflation in June was 0.2%, the unemployment in May was 11.1%, in line with forecasts. This week, investors will again be focused on the Greek issue. Despite the referendum results, about half of them still expect the negotiations will continue. The main event in US will be the speech by the Federal Reserve Chair Janet Yellen this Friday. Until then, Federal Reserve District Governors will be speaking practically every day, and on Wednesday, the Federal Reserve June meeting minutes will be released. In economic data, the May trade balance will be released on Tuesday, and wholesale inventories will be published on Friday. This was all for the week. Happy trading and see you next week.